Dear student, Grasim Kannada Vidyalaya College, subject Physical Education, class 6th standard, lesson long jump theory, start. Dear student, lesson 18 long jump. The following components will be learned in this lesson: dimension of the landing pit, take-off board, runway, rules for jumping events, fouls committed by the jumpers, records at state, national and international level. Introduction. Long jump is an important athletic event. Children love this event very much as it provides lot of fun and enjoyment. Speed, explosive strength of legs and neuromuscular coordination determine an athlete's performance in long jump. Landing area. Landing area should be filled with a wet sand till the ground level. Points 2. Width of the landing area should be minimum of 2.75 meters and maximum of 3 meters. The landing area should be minimum 9 meters and maximum 12 meters. Jumping pit is in rectangular in shape. Watch. ಜಿಗಿತದ ಅಂಕಣವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ ನೋಡಿ. Take-off board. Take-off board should be made of wood. Point number 2. Measuring 1.22 meters 2 in length and 20 centimeter width and 10 centimeter thick. It should be white color. It may be located from 1.00 meters to 3 meters away from the nearest end of the landing area. Dear student, basic rules of the event. If an athlete touches the front line of the take-off board and jumps, The jumps is a foul jump. Points 2. If an athlete runs down the take-up board, then also it is counted as foul. Each athlete gets 3 chances to take a jump. After the jump, from the nearest point of landing from the take-up board will be measured and taken into account. After the call of officials, an athlete has to take jump within 90 seconds. After the jump, if an athlete comes back and crosses take-up board, then touches attempt is considered a foul attempt. Basic rules of the event. Points 1. If an athlete touches the front line of the take-up board and jumps, the jump is a foul jump. Points number 2. If an athlete runs down the take-up board, then also it is counted as foul. Points number 3. Each athlete gets 3 chances to take up jump. Points number 4. After the jump, from the nearest point of landing from the take-up board will be measured and taken into account. Points number 5. After the call of officials, an athlete has to take jumps within 90 seconds. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಉತ್ತಮ ಉದ್ದ ಜಿಗಿತದ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಎನಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂದು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ ನೋಡಿ. Next, records of international level events. Men, in 1991, USA Mike Powell jumped 8.95 meters. Women, Gelidia Chestiakova of Russia jumped 7.52 meters. Indian athletes records: men, Ankita Sharma of Uttar Pradesh 8.19 meters. Women, Anju Bobby George of Kerala jumped 6.83 meters. Karnataka State Athletics records: men, C. Kunjuman jumped 7.86 meters. Women, G. Premila jumped 6.52 meters. ಭಾರತದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಉದ್ದ ಜಿಗಿತದ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲ್ಪಡುವ ಕೇರಳದ ಅಂಜು ಬಾಬಿ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ದೃಶ್ಯವನ್ನು
അഞ്ചു ബോബി ജോർജ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എൻട്രി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതൊരു ഞാൻ LKG പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ തൊട്ട് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തതാണ്. എൻ്റെ പേരൻസിൻ്റെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. നമുക്ക് ഒരു കരിയർ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള പ്രായമൊന്നും ആയിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അവരുടെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റാണ് ശരിക്കും ഞാൻ സ്പോർട്സ് ഫീൽഡിലേക്ക് വന്നത്.
Bobby George, round 5, lying in 4th place at 6.61, not far away from a medal. No Indian has ever won a medal in the World Championship. Andrew Bobby George has been in consistent form this year with the best of 6.74. Hits the board spot on, that looks a good jump. Well, that could just challenge and get her into the medal positions.
Andrew, got into a call. He's sitting down coming to the board.
Waiting for the distance now for Andrew Bobby George. And it looks good. How far is it? Has it taken her up into the medal positions? Yes, it has.
that I became a world champion after 9 years, and I am very happy that we got a world title. And it's everyone if we got that medal from that day. In that day, I will be really happy because I got a really great reception when I came back to India. I got a really great reception from the airport, and now at least after 9 years we got the gold, so we can celebrate it even after 9 years.
ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟು ಮೈಕ್ ಪೋವೆಲ್ ಅವರ ಜಿಗಿತದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಂಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ.
Suurtamestaria perässä, mutta nyt tuli pitkä potku. Nyt tuli pitkä potku. Jännitys on kovaa. 8.95 maailman ennätys. 5 sentin päässä Haamun rajasta. Hyväksyttävissä olosuhteissa ja Mount Powell lähtee kunniakierrokselle.
ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ 10 ಉದ್ದ ಜಿಗಿತದ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗಳ ಜಿಗಿತದ ಒಂದು ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ವಾಚ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟಾಪ್ 10 ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್.
yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಉದ್ದ ಜಿಗಿತದ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.